Federal Reserve raises interest rates by 1/4 point to a new range of 2.25% to 2.5%. The Federal Reserve says it judges that some further gradual increases will be needed. Again, the Federal Reserve raising rates by 1/4 point to a new range of 2.25% to 2.5%. The Fed did add, while it still says it sees some further gradual increases as needed, it adds it will continue to, quote, monitor global economic and financial developments and assess their implications for the economic outlook. So a nod to some of what has happened in markets of late. On rates, on future rates, it's a bit dovish, not completely so. The Fed lowers its outlook for the number of hikes in 2019 from a consensus of 3 to now 2, and it's seen going from to 2.9% from the current range of 2.4%. So it took out one hike for 2019. It lowered the consensus for neutral to 2.8% from 3%. So it hits the middle of that range by its consensus estimate next year with 2 more hikes. But the average Fed member still sees the Fed going one hike above neutral, and that happening in 2020. On the economy, the Federal Reserve continues to evaluate the economy as strong. It lowered GDP for 2019, though, by 2 ticks to 2.3%. Unemployment is unchanged at 3.7. Took 1 tick off its forecast for inflation next year to 1.9%. But the current assessment of the economy is a carbon copy of the November statement. Sees the labor market continue to strengthen. Economic activity rising at a strong rate. Job gains strong. Unemployment rate declined. Household spending continued to grow strongly, and business fixed investment moderated. Inflation near. Now, let me give you a little more details on the rate outlook, and you may want to get a pencil out for this if you're playing future Fed rate hikes at home. 2019, 2 members say no rate hike. 4 members say 1 hike, 5 members say 2 hikes, and 6 members say 3 hikes or more. On 2020, 9 members still want to go above neutral, and 4 want to stop there. So a more dovish Fed in the forecast and in the statement, but the question you guys, I guess I'm sure you will debate is it as dovish as the markets want it to hear? Back to you guys.